The Commander Makeup Air Heater manages air conditions in construction sites where improved air quality, temperature control, and moisture reduction is a necessity. These areas demand tempered heat while maintaining positive pressure, all done using the Commander's modulating control and proven powerful airflow. LB White Commanders provide constant tempered fresh air exchanges that pressurize the structure. The unit evenly heats the interior and surfaces, preventing cold spots and additional moisture, and its modulating control reduces fuel costs. Lastly, it maintains positive building pressure for a healthier environment. Commanders are used by any contractors involved in enclosed structure projects. Makeup air units are typically used during the portion of a construction project when structures begin to be enclosed. This is when air needs to be exchanged that assists in the curing of materials while exchanging inside air with fresh air. Always wear proper PPE and review and understand all warnings in the owner's manual before operating a Commander. Heeding the warnings is essential for safe use of the units. Before using a Commander, ensure the necessary fuel source is connected by a qualified installer. Then, position the gas selector valve in the proper gas position. For initial startup, first connect a proper size power cord and correct voltage to the unit's male inlet plug. Next, open the gas valve. Set heat off vent switch to heat mode, and lastly, set the temperature controller discharge set point temperature. When running the unit in heating mode, the temperature controller will modulate the heater discharge temperature based on the temperature set point. The Commander is designed to operate continuously. If the heater is to be shut down, first close all gas supply valves to the unit. Next, allow the unit to burn off any fuel remaining in the gas supply line. Once the unit has stopped, position the selector switch to off, O, and lastly, disconnect the unit from its gas and electrical supplies. When not in use, the Commander must be disconnected from its power source, cleaned of dust, and stored or transported to a dry place. All Commanders have a sturdy frame for securing during transport. For long-term storage, it is recommended to utilize stacking kits that remove added weight on the caster and stabilize the units. When selecting a makeup air unit, it's important to understand the overall size of the space and how well the structure is sealed. Other factors can include infiltration from things like vent fans or large open spaces to the outside that may allow air to enter the structure. While these units do have casters for mobility, you may also need to think about if fork pockets are needed. On the 500K and 1 million, fork pockets are optional, but the 1.5 million and 2.3 million units come with fork pockets. Other accessories to think about would be ducting, thermostats, propane regulators, or stacking kits for storing when not in use. Contact your local Herc Rentals branch for makeup air unit rentals or for more information.